watching iLovei. My name is Nate.
I'm Sonny.
I'm Mark.
And we're continuing our OC special, and we're checking out this place called Hot Chicken Waffles. So it's another chicken tier we're gonna do, but they're doing Nashville Chicken as well.
Let's go check this place out.
So we started.
Alright. So we got tons of food.
A lot.
Tons.
A lot.
So we're doing chicken, and we went Nashville again.
And
this time we went and got an actual like chicken piece and not a sandwich. But I got something called the bottom, which is dark meat. Comes with a leg and thigh, 2 leg and thighs. And it comes with 4 waffles. Look at this thing. And sweet tea.
I got the bay. So basically the bay's 4 pieces of chicken. What we got? So you get leg, thigh, breast, and also the wing. And then you get, look at that. You get more waffles. You get double the waffles Sonny got. Double the chicken pieces. I'm just a fat ass today. This is my first meal.
What you get?
I got the Chick Magnet, so it's a red velvet cake waffle cone and popcorn chicken. And then I got the waffle fries. I got it clack it up style, which means it's got sour cream, chives, and bacon on it.
Oh, that's big. I thought it was hot Cheetos.
It looks like it.
I know Mark's food doesn't look like there's a lot of chicken there. While we were waiting,
we were munching on this shit.
That's good.
It comes in a waffle cone.
Dude, that thing's full. But when it comes out, it's like full, and then there's more chicken on the tray too.
Check out these popcorn. Look at this. That's a popcorn chicken. This is a real popcorn chicken. That's what I'm talking about.
That popcorn chicken's bomb, by the way.
We're gonna try this out now. I'm gonna go straight for the waffle. Look at that dripping with some syrup. That's a fluffy waffle. That's good. Let's break into this chicken.
Let's try this chicken. So, I'm a little curious how this stacks up to Rooster Republic. We tried that. Check out that video. Tell us what you think about that place. Oh, man. You can just tell by ripping this chicken apart, it's juicy. And they got some sauce for it.
Alright, so the flavor beats Rooster Republic.
Absolutely.
Dude. Chicken tender, and their skin is crunchy as hell. It's good.
This chicken is so juicy.
But I want to grab one of these fry right here because this is interesting. So, try this out.
One thing we did get is these
Ube pancakes.
ube waffles.
Ooh, well, I mean waffles. Mom morning.
Alright, so let's try this out. Got that Asian ube flavoring. Some syrup on this bitch. Oh man.
I like that fry, Mark.
This is dope. Everything's great. Chicken's tender and juicy. The fries are perfect. The seasoning is, it's got a nice little kick to it, and it's got great flavor. This is definitely way better than what we had before.
The ube waffle has to be one of my favorite waffles right now. This is bomb.
I think it's tender. This is like freshly made. It's hot. Look how thick this thing is.
It's purple too. Purple.
When you guys come, I think you should come early. It looks like it gets packed here.
Yeah, I think we got here right when it rained.
So it's starting to like pack up a little bit. But service is amazing over there.
Check this place out. Let us know what you think about this place in the description below.
Yeah, dude, hit that thumbs up, like it, subscribe to your friends,
And also
subscribe to the channel, and share this with your family and friends.
And I also wanted to say special thanks to Sleek Watch Company. They hooked us up with some watches. If you guys want to check them out, the description will be below. You type in iLovei20, you get $20 off.
20% off. So if you type in iLovei20 as promotion code, you get 20% off their watches. They got some amazing designs, man. Go check them out. And see you on the next one.
Peace.